Hello to everyone, I'm Violetta and I try to teach you Russian because I'm Russian, but I'm not alone. I'm with my Mr. Russian friend, he can help me in it. So today's lesson is lesson about how to introduce yourself. So to introduce yourself in Russian, it's similar like in English, but we have different stuff. So I will try to explain you. For example, when you go somewhere, first of all, you can say hi, hello, and it sounds the same. So you can say your friend or your colleague, hi, right? But in Russian, it sounds a bit rude if you are not with your friend. If you go to the shopping mall, you can't say hello to hi to everyone. So hi, it's like привет, привет, привет. You can't say привет to everyone. So just your friend or someone who close to your heart. So привет I put here to you remember. Привет. Right? So hello. It sounds здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. So when you not so close with that person, you can say just здравствуйте, not привет. Здравствуйте. Are you helping me or what? He said привет to you. Do you see? Because maybe you are so close to him. Здравствуйте, привет. But after that, English speakers try to say how are you just to be polite. But in Russian, you can ask how are you just to someone who you are ready to listen. Maybe 1 hour with a coffee or something. So don't ask Russian how are you, because it's a bore to listen about all problems, right? So anyway, you have to know how to say it. How are you? Как дела? Как дела? Okay, I'm listening. It means I pay attention for this sentence, you know, and for your all problems. Как дела? Oh, sorry. Как дела? Exclamation mark. Because it's a question, right? And here also, let's say put it here. What is your name? It's also a question, isn't it? What is your name? Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? My name's Violetta, and you, right? You can say that in English, it's the same in Russian. Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? Exclamation mark here. And of course, if you want to speak this person, you can say your name. My name is Violetta. My name is Violetta. And yours? My name is Violetta. Мое имя. Меня зовут. We can't say my name, мое имя. It's like, but we can answer меня зовут. Someone call you, you know. How to call you? Someone call you Violetta. It's like sounds like this, but my name is Violetta. We are answer меня зовут. Меня зовут. And every morning to your family, to your close friend, to Mr. Russian friend, you can say good morning, Mr. Russian friend. But In Russian, if you try to speak Russian, you can say Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good evening. It's also we have the same phrase. Добрый вечер. But вечер, it's like night for you guys, but good evening, we can say добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Вечер. Добрый вечер. And so important stuff, what I wanna tell you. Instead of say hi or hello, when you go somewhere, we like to say добрый день. But I can't translate it exactly in English, because in English we can't say good day. Sounds strange, right? But in Russian, if I try to find the sentence approximately the same, it will be like have a good day. So have a good day we can say to everyone from the morning to evening, and it sounds добрый день. It's better to say instead of hi or hello. I put here also information. Добрый день. День. It's really have a good day, right? Today, yes. Because of this lesson, starting from the beginning, starting from the introducing yourself in Russian. So, I want to say you thank you, and we are with my Mr. Russian friend waiting you at the next lesson.